Dear colleagues, hello, my name is Professor Dr. Aslan Gökbuget. On behalf of Meffert Implant Institute, I would like to invite you to the Bone Symposium, which is going to be held in Bodrum, Turkey next year. The wonderful venue and the wonderful and distinguished speakers. If you like to join us, it would be great for us. The distinguished speakers, a wonderful venue and great symposium for you as well as for your family. Again, I would like to invite you all this wonderful Bone Symposium meeting in Turkey, Bodrum.
Dear colleagues, hello. As you know, we are going again to have our Bone Symposium in Bodrum next year. It means 2017, between 5th and 8th October in Bodrum, in nice localization. We do have very well known from all the world, lecturers for this meeting. We have very different topics like bone biology, like peri-implantitis therapy, like soft tissue management. I think that will be nice combination of art, science and Bodrum. Let's meet there in Bodrum next year. Thanks for coming.
Hi, my name is Dr. Ali Arif Özzeybek. I'm Meffert Implant Institute President. Dear colleague, I want to personally invite you to attend to ICI Meffert Implant Institute sponsored Bone Symposium. The symposium is for both entry-level and advanced level clinically who desire to advance their knowledge of clinically relevant and evidence-based state of the art, hard and soft tissue grafting procedures. This will be the most comprehensive bone symposium you will ever attend. Come and learn from this talented, world-class master clinician. You don't want to miss this great opportunity. Mucogingival aesthetic surgery, vertical reed augmentation, new technology Vista, IDR, atrophic posterior maxilla, peri-implantitis, flap design, the future of implantology. We are waiting to our Bone Symposium at Bodrum, Turkey.
The Institute, which provides education for the last 20 years, for the first time, they will have 8 famous master clinicians as speakers during the Bone Symposium. Dr. Homa Zadeh, Southern California University, Dr. George Romanos, New York Stony Brook University, Dr. Diego Velasquez, Michigan University, Dr. Tiziano Testori, Milan University, Dr. Jose Carlos Rosa, Corpa Clinica, Dr. Marius Steigman, Szeged Temesburg University, Dr. Charles Curry, Munster University, Dr. Hector Sarmiento, Pennsylvania University. 15 hours of uninterrupted education. What are the most recent advancements regarding the soft and hard tissue management? They will inform us about the latest developments. Charles Curry. This presentation details different mandibular donor sites for block grafts, going from minimal invasive harvesting techniques to less conservative ones, using spatial instrumentation and discussing the new biological concept of autogenous bone grafting. Homa Zadeh. Educational objectives. At the conclusion of this presentation, participants should have an understanding of significance of peri-implant soft tissue biotype and keratinized mucosa, decision-making on when soft tissue augmentation is necessary, various techniques and material available for peri-implant soft tissue augmentation. George Romanos. To learn better the biology of grafting materials, to demonstrate techniques for crystal bone stability, to provide knowledge about the treatment of peri-implantitis. Diego Velasquez. Not all biomaterials are the same. Different materials perform better under different conditions. A review geared towards the understanding and application of these concepts will be presented. defect selection, surgical technique guidelines, outcomes, and research supporting therapy will be shared with the audience. Hector Sarmiento. Understanding etiology of peri-implantitis and treatment outcomes, presenting a 5-categorical classification to identify the primary causative source of peri-implant diseases. Tiziano Testori. Surgical anatomy finalized to the prevention of complication and optimization of result. Rationale for a correct preoperative planning, step-by-step surgical technique, selection of grafting material, step-by-step prosthetic techniques. Jose Carlos Rosa. This course is designed for practitioners who desire to improve their management of compromised fresh extraction sockets, understand the principles, the step-by-step technique and the indications of the immediate dental velar restoration concept, IDR, management of the corticocancellous graft and the complete reconstruction of the alveolar defect and the use of triple grafts, obtaining the ideal emergence profile of the crowns, modern concept in implant-supported restorations. Marius Steigmann. To learn the importance of the emergence profile in the aesthetic zone and the specific requirements for the natural soft tissue. To understand the surgical possibilities of correction of the transition zone between implant and crown. To choose right healing abutment or temporary crown to promote implant aesthetic. To familiarize treatment sequence associated with multiple implant surgical and the prosthetic techniques. Clinicians will learn how to build treatment plans based on individual circumstances. They will learn to utilize modern prosthetic technology for reconstruction of soft tissue for single and multiple implants. The participation will get to plan prosthetically and aesthetically the position of the implant. There will be a discussion between 8 doctors. Subject will be the future of the implantology. You can contact us regarding your poster presentation. 50 poster presentations will be shown and the first 3 places will be selected. Diplomat Fellow Certificate ceremony will be held. During the gala dinner, doctors who advance to Fellow and Diplomat status will receive their certificates. For the Diplomat and Fellowship examinations, please contact Meffert Implant Institute.
Hi, this is Dr. Gizemberg. I'll be with you on the gala dinner of Meffert Implant Institute's Bone Symposium on October 7th in Bodrum Truffle Restaurant. And I'll be very pleased and honored to be with my colleagues on that night, and I'm looking forward to see you.
Early registration have begun. There is a discounted registration fee for the first AD to register, which is €450 per person. The price includes 4 days, 3 nights, all-inclusive accommodation, welcome cocktail, certificate program, ICOI Meffert Institute certificate, and the gala dinner will be held at the Bodrum Truffle. Accommodation. Near the comforting atmosphere of the agency, a holiday in which you are going to enjoy the sea, the sun, and the good food awaits you at Bodrum.